If this is to end in fire, then we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside.
I'm not scared of coming on too strong. I'll make your song, tumbling as I run. How could I ever do you wrong? I was born to agree. God makes the loveliest deed. He released over the Mars to see. My midnight stars faint, so perfectly quaint, with a heartfelt passion when you speak perfectly frank. I have no intellect to elaborate. You deserve a poet or an impassioned artist. How'd you get so gorgeous? Beyond this earth of vast land of volcanic dust, upon a passing procession of nature, our hearts upon trial, my verdict, nurture. The future is upon an ever even sharper razor. Holy sunshine, candy cane, the drizzling rain, so brilliant with the radiance of holiness, without the vanity of the beautiful. How'd you get so gorgeous?
If it's to end in fire, then we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over on the mountainside.
You petite mystery, I'm coming on strong for a lesson in your charity, kindling beauty upon the flowers, watching a butterfly, waiting on this almost discourteous girl to smile. The woodlands be covered in bluebells, she said rainbows are for walking. I soon got lost following her flaming high heels, past the church and altar, through winter's blooming dahlias. Who knows how you got so gorgeous? Where's my same sense within your mommy on a thread that never ends? So I guess I wanted to bond and tell you in love instead. I'm going down the cornerstone henge, sure on power station, chimney smoking again. I was too young to know what you knew about that goddess. I challenged your heart and you put me up against all its odds. Me and my useless senses out in the wilderness, heading for the land of Jesus. Who knows how you got so gorgeous?
If this is to end in fire, then we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father.